In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Video Auto Track Selector in DaVinci Resolve. If you're editing in DaVinci Resolve and certain actions don't seem to affect the track you expect, the Video Auto Track Selector may be the reason. This setting helps Resolve know which video tracks should respond during different editing actions, so turning it on correctly can make your workflow much smoother. To begin, go to your timeline and locate the video track you want to work with. Make sure you are looking at the track controls on the left side of the timeline, because that's where this setting is found. Each video track will have a small label such as V1, V2, or another number depending on the position of that track in your timeline. These labels are more than just names for the tracks. They also act as buttons for the Auto Track Selector. Once you find the track you want to enable, move to the far left side of that track and click on the track label such as V1 or V2. This will turn on the Video Auto Track Selector for that specific track. If you're not sure whether it worked, there's an easy way to confirm it. When the Auto Track Selector is enabled, the button will be highlighted in red. That color change is your visual confirmation that the setting is active. If the button is not red, then the Auto Track Selector is not enabled for that track. In that case, simply click it again until you see the red highlight appear. This is especially useful if you are working with multiple video tracks and need Resolve to focus on a specific one during editing. A helpful tip is to quickly glance at the left side of your timeline before making edits, especially if something doesn't behave the way you expect. Many editing issues come down to track targeting and selector settings, so checking whether the correct video track is highlighted can save you time and confusion. That's all you need to do. Go to your video track, look to the far left for the V1 or V2 button, click it, and make sure it turns red to confirm that Video Auto Track Selector is enabled. Once you know where this setting is, it becomes very fast to adjust whenever you need it in your edit.